In order to follow social distancing guidelines, this City of Battle Creek update is coming solely through an interpreter. On March 26, 2020, a city program is offering emergency repairs during COVID-19 pandemic. The City of Battle Creek is using the Minor Home Repair Program to help neighbors make emergency repairs that will allow them to follow the governor's stay home, stay safe order for the coming weeks. The current order is in place through April 13th. The Community Development Division is offering this assistance to low and moderate income homeowners for addressing emergency repairs that restore water, electric, or heat service to neighbors in the City of Battle Creek. Staff will consider other emergency repairs on a case-by-case basis. The city's ability to offer this program depends on contractors' availability to do the work. The city has modified its minor home repair program to fund this emergency program. During this time, homeowners do not have to provide matching funds for a project. This is a typical requirement. The program will cover all emergency repair costs. Non-emergency applications to the program, including those already approved, but without work happening yet, are postponed until regular operations resume. To be eligible for emergency repairs, neighbors must meet these requirements. You own and live in the home for which you are seeking emergency repair assistance. The home is within Battle Creek city limits. Your home is not being purchased on land contract terms. Your property taxes are not in forfeiture, which means they're not more than a year late. You have a current homeowner's insurance policy. Your household income is at or below the limit for your household size. For household size 1, that's $35,950. For household size 2, $41,100. For household size 3, $46,250. For household size 4, $51,350. For household size 5, $55,500. For household size 6, $59,600. For household size of 7, $63,700. For household size of 8, $67,800. To apply, complete a minor home repair application available at the city's Minor Home Repair Program webpage, which we will include below this video. To receive a paper copy by mail, please leave a message at 269 966 3323. Staff will respond as quickly as possible. Submit completed applications to sparker@battlecreekmi.gov. Or in the City Payment Drop Box in the parking lot of City Hall. That's at 10 North Division Street. Envelopes are available at the drop box. Thanks.